You can reset your Starlink Gen 2 router using one of two methods, through the Starlink app or manually with the power cord. The app method is faster and works if you still have Wi-Fi access. The manual method is useful if you cannot connect to the app. This tutorial outlines both options. What the process does, a factory reset restores the router to its original settings. This clears your Wi-Fi network name, password, and any custom configurations. After the reset, you must set up the router again from scratch. Method 1. Reset through the Starlink app. If you still know your Wi-Fi password and can access the Starlink app, this is the easiest way to do a factory reset. First, connect your device to your Starlink network. Open the Starlink app and go to Settings. After that, select Router and look for the Factory Reset option. Tap on it and drag the slider to confirm. The router will begin resetting and may take a few minutes to restart. Wait until the process is complete before reconnecting. Method 2. Manual reset using the power cord. If you cannot access the app, you can use the manual reset method. Start by unplugging the power cord from the router. Wait about 2 to 3 seconds, then plug it back in. Repeat this exact process 6 times in a row. It is important to keep the timing consistent during each cycle. After the 6th time, leave the router plugged in and do not disconnect it again. The router will now begin the factory reset process. This can take around 10 to 15 minutes, so be patient and allow it to finish completely. Once the reset is done, you can then connect to it and set up your router again from the beginning. Limitation: the app method requires an active Wi-Fi connection to the Starlink network. The manual method does not require the app, but requires consistent timing during the power cycling process. This setup is best suited for troubleshooting connection issues, preparing the router for a new owner, or restoring default settings when the Wi-Fi password is lost.